Thank you, Chairman Graves, ranking members Larson and Cohen, and members of the subcommittee. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to discuss the current and future priorities of the FAA. Our number one priority is safety. Recent events, especially the January 5th incident involving the Boeing 737 MAX 9, have shown us we can't become complacent when it comes to maintaining safety and public confidence in the aviation system. Since being sworn in as administrator, I have focused on addressing potential risks to the safety of our national airspace, particularly in three areas: significant safety events, air traffic controller hiring, and continuous safety improvement. Last year, we saw an uptick in significant safety events, including runway incursions and close calls around airports. In response, the FAA tasked an independent safety review team to look into these issues. They provided a report to me in November, and we have already begun implementing many of those recommendations. To mitigate the risk of incursions, we're pursuing a range of strategies and solutions, including better data analytics, pilot and controller outreach, improved airport signage, and runway and taxiway redesign. We're also committed to continued development and deployment of technologies that enhance runway safety. We will continue to work this issue until we reach our goal of zero significant safety events. The safety of the U.S. aviation system is due in large part to the skilled and dedicated air traffic controllers who work the system. To maintain our safety record, the agency must accelerate the pace of recruiting, training, and hiring to meet increasing traffic volume, while also integrating safely new technologies and new entrants into our system. We're taking immediate steps to grow the controller workforce through several key initiatives. We're filling every seat at our Air Traffic Controller Academy in Oklahoma City. We're expanding the use of advanced training in facilities across the country, including upgrading simulators in 95 towers. Just last week, we installed the first tower at Austin Airport in Texas. We're working with aeronautical colleges to move graduates quickly to on-the-job training, and we've initiated year-round hiring for experienced controllers from the military or from private industry. During my first 3 months as administrator, I met with controllers in Boston, Philadelphia, Dallas, and here at DC in the Tower. In those conversations, controller fatigue came up repeatedly as a top concern, caused in large part by shifting schedules and challenging overtime requirements. Increasing our controller ranks will help mitigate risks associated with controller fatigue. Additionally, we have stood up a panel of fatigue experts to review the latest science on sleep needs and how that can be applied to work requirements and scheduling. We expect to receive the panel's report later this spring. The third priority is to continuously improve our safety processes and procedures. For example, our Air Traffic Safety Oversight Department now reports directly to me. This gives me unfiltered, candid feedback on the state and quality of the organization. We are also exploring how the agency can improve data accessibility and collaborate with stakeholders to collect and analyze data across our aviation system. Data is crucial to identifying and mitigating significant risks and emerging safety trends. To support these efforts, I plan to hold a discussion tomorrow with senior leadership from major U.S. airlines on how we can share information more transparently and improve our safety management systems. The need to be vigilant on safety came clearly into focus on January 5th with the incident involving Alaska Airlines Flight 1282, when the left mid-cabin door plug blew out of a Boeing 737 MAX 9 shortly after departure. I want to commend the flight and cabin crews for their professionalism and heroic actions to ensure the safety of everyone on board during that emergency. Less than 24 hours following the incident, the FAA took decisive action to ground 171 MAX 9 airplanes. We then approved a thorough inspection and maintenance process that was performed on each of the grounded aircraft prior to returning to service. We've begun an audit of Boeing's production and quality control practices, and we've informed Boeing that the FAA will not grant any production expansion of the MAX until we're satisfied the quality control issues uncovered during this process are resolved. Going forward, we will have more boots on the ground, closely scrutinizing and monitoring production and manufacturing activities. Boeing employees are encouraged to use our FAA hotline to report any safety concerns. Let me stress, the safety of the flying public is our mission, and it will continue to inform our decision-making going forward. I'm honored to lead the FAA team of more than 45,000 dedicated employees who work every day to meet our mission of ensuring we have the best and the safest aviation system in the world. I'm confident in our agency's ability to address our current challenges and those that lie ahead. I also want to confirm, as Chairman Graves alluded to, really commend the bipartisan effort in the House toward completing a long-term FAA reauthorization bill. I look forward to working with Congress as it finalizes this vital legislation. Thank you for your continued support of FAA, and I look forward to answering any questions.